Hi students, the last class discussing about up to mutagenic agents. In mutagenic agents, which one to be discussing is commonly called as physical mutagenic agents. What are the examples of physical mutagenic agents? Alpha, beta, gamma, UV, cosmic, neutrons and etc. These are things to be utilized to develop Sabarmati sonara, are also called sonara 64. It is developed by Dr. M.S. Swaminathan and co-workers. It is a mutant wheat variety from Mexican, so commonly called as Mexican variety. So one more variety is commonly called as Aruna, that is a commonly called as Castor Aruna. This is a short duration variety. The normal varieties, it can be processed to 70 days, but that Castor Aruna, it must be required just to 170 days. That is only that discussing the last classes. Now going to discuss about this video is nothing but chemical mutagenic agents. Chemical mutagenic agents is also known as chemical mutagens. So what are the definitions of chemical mutagenic agents? Chemical substance which induce mutation is commonly called as chemical mutagens, are also called chemical mutagenic agents. What are the chemical substances it is influenced to induce regarding mutation? Can I illustrate to be here? One is called mustard gas. Second one, MMS, that is commonly called as methyl methane sulfonate. Then third one, EMS, that's commonly called as ethyl methane sulfonate. Then fourth one, nitrous acid. Fourth one, formaldehyde. Sixth one, usine and etc. So those substances utilized to inducing mutation in plants. In particularly nitrous oxide, it is play as an important role is commonly called as change or alteration in the nitrogenous bases. Alteration or changes in the nitrogenous bases of regarding what DNA. You know, I am already indicating to the nitrogenous bases. What are nitrogenous bases? It may be purine and pyrimidine. So what are the purine component? Adenine and guanine. What are the pyrimidine compound? thiamine and cytosine. So, you are utilized so many kinds of chemical, among them nitrous oxide change or alteration in nitrogenous base of DNA, resulting what will happen, which is responsible reduce the activities of replication, reduce the activities of transcription. So, what is the replication? I am already discussing the two complement pairs of DNA molecule which are divided, which can be produced regarding what a complementary copy, or it may be produced multiple copy, that a process commonly called as replication. So, with the help of chemicals arrest the process of replication as well as arrest the process regarding what a transcription. What a transcription? Transcription is one of the important process that is responsible for production or manufacture regarding what amino acids. That is also responsible to be affect. So, reduce the activities of replication, reduce the activities of regarding transcription, where that kinds of process usually they can be agreed with them is commonly called as, which leads to defective formations of polypeptides. Defective formations of polypeptide, where is the commonly called as in from translation. So, these are things it is responsible commonly called as chemical mutagenic agents. Can I go to the next one is commonly called as co-mutagens. So, what is the called co-mutagens? The compound that are not having mutagenic properties, but enhance the effect of regarding what a mutation. Do you know what I say? The compound does not having regarding what mutagenic properties. Even the absence of mutagenic properties, that compound, that substance increase or enhance the effect of regarding what a mutation. That a substance is commonly called as co-mutagen. Which are the things it will be act as regarding what a co-mutagen? Can I just list it? The first one is a commonly called as ascorbic acid. Ascorbic acid, it is a play as an important role is commonly called as increase the damage The one more is a commonly called example, caffeine. The response commonly called as increased toxicity. So, the compound which are not having mutagenic properties, but it enhances the effect of regarding mutagen is commonly called as co-mutagen. Example ascorbic acid and also called regarding butter caffeine. Can I go to the next one topic is commonly called as chromosomal mutation. So, you know that regarding what the chromosomes. Chromosomes where is occur? In the nucleus of cells. Chromosome which contain what? Gene. That's are already discussing regarding through gene mutation. What is the chromosomal mutation? Mutation that affect regarding what the chromosomal structure is commonly called as chromosomal mutation. Chromosomal mutation, it's a happen due to effect of regarding what a mutation. You know that generally the environment it must be containing so many kinds of organism. Each of the organism having regarding what chromosomes. that a chromosomes, it must be differ from regarding what to species. For example, chromosomal mutation, it is generally classified as regarding what to two types. One is the called changes in chromosomal number. Second one, changes in the chromosomal structure. This way it can be classified two types. So, before that entering of regarding what the types, the chromosomal mutation, that is simply to be say, if a mutation is occur in a gene is a particular point of regarding what the chromosomes. So, there only it happen regarding what a mutation. Chromosomal mutation is a commonly called as, this is the chromosomes. So, the chromosome containing regarding what is gene. So, if happen gene mutation mean it's occur a particular locus alone. If that mutation occur in regarding what a mutation mean in chromosome means the chromosome which contain regarding what many genes are there. Here it's a happen that. In addition, how you have to be rectified regarding what in chromosome structure. If any defect is there in the chromosome means it is rectified through microscopic examination or gene analysis. But through gene analysis, through microscopic examination, you cannot be detected regarding what is gene mutation. But it must be detected through microscopic examination, through gene analysis, what kinds of defect is there, it can easily find out with the help of regarding what the chromosomal mutations are. Now go to regarding what changes in regarding what the chromosomal number. So, in the world, there are existing a lot of species are there. All the species or all the living species, it can be possess specific number of chromosomes. For example, human beings, 23 pairs. Chimpanzee, 24 pairs. Wheat, 14 pairs. Paddy, 12 pairs. Sugarcane, 40 pairs. So, the world, it must be existing a lot of living organism. Each living organism, it must be possess a definite number of chromosomes that are occur in the somatic cells. But a somatic cell is nothing but what? Somatic cell is nothing but regarding what is a body cells. But what it can discussing here? Changes in the chromosomal number. In among the species, some species it may be possessed regarding what the same number of chromosomes. What are the species commonly called as? Cabbage and cauliflower and radish. Those species it can be possessed chromosome is commonly called as 18. You know that one important component for here. Cabbage, cauliflower, radish, the chromosomal number is regarding what same, but the character is not same. You know that within a family many members are there. Among the member, for example 7 member in my family, 4 male, 3 female. RR is a made up of regarding what same kinds of cell, same kinds of chromosome. But a character it is not similar to among the member. The character it may be differ because changes occur in the chromosomal number. So cabbage, cauliflower, radish they can be possessed regarding what 18th chromosome. Chromosomal number is the same, but the character is not same. So which is responsible for determining such a characteristic feature? So the character is determined in the presence of regarding what genetic materials. So genetic material is nothing but commonly called DNA. The DNA is where is occur? DNA is occur in a gene. Gene where is occur? In chromosomes. So the chromosome number is same, character is not the same. Which is responsible for it possesses distinct characteristic feature. The distinct characteristic feature is a determined presence of regarding what is genetic materials. Sometimes each and every kinds of somatic cell having different number of chromosomes. That chromosome number is change. How? Due to deletion or due to insertion. What is deletion? Loss of chromosomal segment. What is insertion? Addition of chromosomal segment. So due to addition and insertion or due to deletion, some changes are occur in the diploid set of the chromosome. That is commonly called as chromosomal aberration. Or simply to say, variation that can be occur in the diploid set of the chromosome is commonly called as chromosomal aberration. That chromosomal aberration is also known as ploidy. So in somatic cells having set of the chromosome, that set of the chromosome happen to change. How? Due to deletion, due to insertion. That is commonly called as chromosomal aberration, or also known as regarding what ploidy. That chromosomal aberration, that ploidy can be classified as two types. Namely, aneuploidy, then euploidy. So what do you mean commonly called as aneuploidy? That means variation that must be occur increasing or decreasing the chromosome in only one set of chromosomes. So for example, human being 23 pairs of chromosomes are there. The variation that must be occur among the 23 pairs, only one pair only increasing or decreasing it's a happen. That to be say commonly called as what aneuploidy. So simply say variation that can be involving increasing or decreasing in only one set of chromosome, that is commonly called as what aneuploidy. So aneuploidy is also known as heteroploidy. Due to increasing or decreasing, aneuploidy is classified further some of the types, namely There are so many types of classified regarding what aneuploidy, namely hyperploidy and hypoploidy. So what they call hyper is higher. So what are the definitions of hyperploidy? So what are the definition of aneuploidy? Increasing or decreasing appear in only one set. What is the hyper? Increasing alone. What is hypo? Decreasing alone. So based on the increasing nature of the chromosome, hyperploidy it's a further classified to regarding various types. So what definition? Increasing one or more chromosome to the diploids. Here decreasing one or more chromosome from the diploid. So here to the diploid, here from the diploid. So it is inner, it is outer. So increasing one or more chromosome to the diploid is a commonly called as hyperploidy. Decreasing one or more chromosome from the diploid is commonly called as hypoploidy. Yes, now come to the regarding the first one, but hyperploidy. So based on increasing one or more chromosome, hyperploidy is further classified to various types, namely trisomy. What is trisomy? Look here, addition of one chromosome to the diploids. So diploid chromosome, it's added a individual chromosome, or addition of one chromosome to the diploid is commonly called as what? Trisomy. Trisomy, it is generally reported in Datura stramonium. So first trisomy reported in Datura stramonium, but after that reported Datura stramonium, it can be classified some other species commonly called as Eunothera lamarckiana. Then Pisum sativum. So those species are later discussed. Okay, next. The next one type is commonly called as double trisomy. So what are double trisomy? So already 2n chromosomes there. If it is add one me, commonly called as single monosomy. If it is add one more individual chromosome is commonly called as double monosomy, double trisomy. So for addition of two individual chromosome to the diploid is commonly called as double trisomy. Then third one is commonly called as tetrasomy. So what is the tetrasomy? Addition of a pair of chromosome to the diploid. Additions of a pair of chromosome to the diploid is commonly called as tetrasomy. The next one is commonly called as double tetrasomy. How it can be definition to regard double tetrasomy? Addition of two pair of chromosome to this is a commonly called addition of a pair of chromosome to the diploids. Addition of two pair of chromosome to the diploid is commonly called as double tetrasomy. The last one is commonly called as pentasomy. So what are the definitions of pentasomy? Addition of three individual to the diploid is commonly called as regarding what a pentasomy. So here Double tetrasomy, it is reported in the species commonly called as wheat. So you know the once again, hyperploidy can be classified into 5 types: trisomy, double trisomy, tetrasomy, double tetrasomy and pentasomy. These are the types. It must be comes under from regarding what the hyperploidy. Can I go to the next one is commonly called as a hypoploidy. So what are the definitions of regarding what the hypoploidy? Decreasing one or more chromosome from the diploid. So based on the laws of regarding what the chromosome, hypoploidy also further classified to various types, namely monosomy. So mono is a single. So how the definition? A loss of a chromosome from the diploid. There addition of 1 or 2 or 3 chromosomes that can be added, but here loss of a chromosome from the diploid is commonly called as what? Monosomy, or also called regarding what? Simple monosomy. The second one is commonly called as double monosomy. How definition given you? Loss of 2 individual from the diploid. How indicating symbol is commonly called as 2n minus 1 minus 1. This is commonly called as double monosomy. Can go to third one, triple monosomy. How you give definition to you? Loss of 3 individual from the diploid set. How the definition? 2n minus 1 minus 1 minus 1. This is commonly called as triple monosomy. Then the last, so monosomy, double monosomy, then a triple monosomy. The next one is commonly called as nullisomy. What is nullisomy? Loss of a pair of chromosome from the diploid. This is commonly called as nullisomy. The last one is commonly called as double nullisomy. How the definitions of regarding what double nullisomy? Loss of 2 pair of chromosome from the here, loss of a pair of chromosome from the diploid is a common nullisomy. Here loss of 2 pair of chromosome from the regarding diploid, that is a commonly called as nullisomy. Nullisomy, it's a repeatedly happening mean that organism which leads to death. That is a commonly called as lethal mutation. So once again I recall to you, hypoploidy what are types? Monosomy, double monosomy, triple monosomy, nullisomy, double nullisomy. Can I go to the next one? Step is commonly called as euploidy. So up to discussing is commonly called as what? Aneuploidy and its types. Now going to discuss about regarding what euploidy. So what are definitions of euploidy? Variation that can be involving increasing or decreasing in full set of chromosome. So aneuploidy is nothing but variation that can be involving only one set of chromosomes, but here variation that can be involving in full set of chromosomes. So, that organism, what is the total number of chromosomal pair? That entire pair, if it is changes or occur, that is commonly called as what is euploidy. Euploidy is further classified as regarding what so many types, namely monoploidy, diploidy and polyploidy. So, monoploidy, diploidy and polyploidy. So, how it can be formed regarding what is diploidy? Diploidy is forming fission of regarding what two male gametes at a time of regarding what is sexual reproduction. You know that. That is a male gamete, that is a female gamete. This is a n number, this is a n number. Fuse is commonly called as 2n. That is a commonly diploidy. So, diploidy is forming fusion of two different kinds of regarding what is sexual phenomena. What is the commonly called as what monoploidy? Monoploidy, it is also known as commonly called as what a haploidy to say. But all kinds of monoploidy is a haploidy, but all kinds of haploidy is not a monoploidy. Can I give one example to be here? For example, hexaploid wheat. For example, do you know wheat? Triticum durum. What is hexaploid condition? 2n is equal to 6x equal to 72. This is a hexaploid condition 6s. So, what is diploidy? Do you know that? How it will be classified as, how it can be differentiated from haploidy and monoploidy? That given illustration is the best example. Can I go to like this? Hexaploid wheat, 2n is equal to 6x equal to 72. So, for here 2n is equal to regarding what is 72. So, diploidy condition. So, what is the n? 72 divided by regarding what to 2. So, commonly called as 36. So, n is a 36, also called haploid is a 36. Triticum durum, the chromosome number haploid is regarding what to 36. What is the monoploidy? So, monoploidy is nothing but 6x equal to regarding what is 72. So, x equal to what? 72 divided by 6. So, totally 12. So, the x denominator is commonly called as regarding what the monoploidy. So, haploidy is a 36, but the monoploidy is commonly called as what is 12. Do you know what I would like to say? Each and every organism, haploidy and diploidy, it's are regularly happen in all generation, but monoploidy which may be occur only during regarding what polyploidy condition. So, other than any kinds of way, there is no possible formations of monoploidy, but diploidy and haploidy, it's repeatedly happening in one to one, next to next in all generation. But monoploidy, it can be applicable only during regarding what the polyploidy conditions alone. In addition to be here, in true diploid or which is the real diploid conditions are there haploidy and monoploidy chromosome numbers are same. but I am already indicating to you all monoploidy is equal to haploidy, but all haploidy is not a monoploidy. That illustration is a good example like this. Can I go to the next one? Topic is commonly called as polyploidy. So poly, numerous. So ploidy, that changes in the chromosomal number. What are the polyploidy definitions commonly called as? So each and every organism, the somatic cell, it can be containing regarding but 2 sets of chromosome. There are 2 sets of chromosome, additions of 1 or more haploid set of the chromosomes are also known as addition of 1 or more haploid set of the chromosome to the diploids. So 2n condition chromosome is there. Here they can be available at that is a commonly called as what a polyploidy. So due to adding the chromosome number, the polyploidy can be classified as regarding various types. The first one, triploidy. What symbol to be indicated is commonly called as 3x. Tetraploidy. That indicate is commonly called as 4x. Pentaploidy. That indicate is commonly called as 5x. Hexaploidy. That indicate is commonly called as 6x. So these are the things, it can be types of regarding what polyploidy. One small instruction to be given about the polyploidy. Polyploidy, it is generally noticed in plants, rare in animals. Why? Because you have to be alter the chromosome number in plants alone. There is no possible to change the chromosome regarding in animals. So polyploidy process, it must be applicable particularly in plants, absent or rare in regarding animals. Polyploidy, based on this regarding what utility, it can be classified, it can be 2 types, namely autopolyploidy second one allopolyploidy. What the first one? Autopolyploidy. So what is the commonly called as autopolyploidy? Addition of 1 or more haploid set of the chromosome in an own genome, or otherwise known as there are various number of chromosomes that can be ordered in a single species, or numerous chromosomes it can be ordered in individual species. That is commonly called as regarding autopolyploidy. Based on the adding number of chromosome, autopolyploidy also further classified into 2 types. Autotriploidy, autotetraploidy. So what they call autopolyploidy? Addition of 1 or more haploid set of the chromosome in an own genome, or various number of chromosome that must be added in a single species. Based on the adding the number of chromosome, autopolyploidy further classified as the 2 types, namely autotriploidy and autotetraploidy. Can I discuss the first one? Orthotriploidy. Orthotriploidy is nothing but the organism that can be possessed regarding what? 3 sets of genome. What is genome? Totality of regarding DNAs present in an organism is commonly called as genome. So, orthotriploidy means commonly called as what? The organism that must be possess 3 sets of chromosomes. So, how it can be applicable to regarding what orthotriploidy, or what are the organisms that can responsible it is artificially it make regarding what crossing, or what are the 2 species are crossing it must be made regarding what orthotriploidy. As it happen crossed with orthotetraploidy crossed with diploidy. So, here 2n, here is n crossed with 3n. So, that is a commonly called as triploidy. So, orthotriploidy, it is a crossed is artificially between crossing between orthotetraploidy and along with regarding what diploidy is a n for apparent number 2n, here n number crossed with regarding what 3n, that is a commonly called as triploidy. So, 3n is usually regarding in F1 generation is a sterile. So, in the absence of that condition it to be say commonly called as it is a sterile. So, that condition the plants there is no possible for regarding what seed formation. So, due to the sterile condition that kinds of plant in generally there is no possible regarding seed production, that to be say commonly called as what it is made seedless component. Such a fruit is commonly called as regarding but seedless fruits are manufactured. You know that triploidy banana, the manufacture of diploid banana, what is the characteristic features commonly called as? That banana size normally it is so small, but the triploidy condition banana which are larger in size and as well as seedless. I am given one more example to you. Triploidy sugar beet, that can you know how to tell about in Tamil, Sakkaravalli Kilangu. Usually it is so regarding what sweetness, but it is or mad in the triploidy condition means increase regarding what sugar level. So, what are the examples of commonly called as what orthotriploidy? Yes, examples of orthotriploidy is commonly called as seedless watermelon, then sugar beet, then tomato, then apple, then etc. So, sometimes the question asked like this, what are the examples of commonly called as what orthotriploidy fruits? Seedless watermelon, sugar beet, tomato, apple and etc. Can I go to the next one is commonly called as orthotetraploidy. So how it can be made regarding what orthotetraploidy? 2n chromosome, whatever it may be, that chromosome number is commonly called as what? Doubling. So become regarding what? 4n. 2n chromosome is became doubling, it's made 4n, that is commonly called as what? Tetraploidy. What are the examples are come from regarding what? Orthotetraploidy. Rye, then alfalfa, potato, then coffee, then groundnut. So those are the things. What are rye? In Tamil you say, you know, varagu. What they call alfalfa? Alfalfa is nothing but feed of or food of horse. Food of horse. So how to tell about in Tamil commonly called as Gujirai masal. Remaining, you know, that potato, coffee, and as well as regarding what a groundnut. So these are things it can illustrate regarding what? Orthotetraploidy. Can I go to the last one commonly called as allopolyploidy? So what are the definitions of allopolyploidy? Additions of one or more haploids at the chromosome to different kinds of species. Autopolyploidy means addition of one or more chromosome in an own genome or in single species. Allopolyploidy, addition of one or more haploids at the chromosome to different kinds of species. Now, how it can be made? Raphana brassica. So Raphana brassica, it is a combination of two different kinds of varieties. How it can made? Can I give the illustrate? First of all, what are the parents? Raphana sativa. That is a commonly called as binomial name of radish. How to tell about Tamil? Mullangi. Can I cross it with Brassica oleracea? So Brassica oleracea is a commonly called as mustard. Kadagu. So Raphana sativa crossed with Brassica oleracea. The crossing that things, it should be made, the component is commonly Raphana brassica. Yes. What is that chromosome number? 2n is equal to 18. These also 2n is equal to 18. What is the n chromosome? 8. What is the n chromosome? Sorry, 9. What is the n chromosome? Is a 9. So crossed with the two things, 2n is a 18. What is the parental chromosome? That is also obtained regarding what? F1 chromosome, F1 generation. So F1 generation is commonly called as it is a sterile. The expected things is not obtained like this. But that the things by treat of regarding what? Colchicine. There is a commonly called as chemical treatment. Or the chemical substance which is utilized to induce regarding what? Polyploidy. Usually where is it can be applicable means tip of the root at low temperature. If the colchicine is a chemical substances, it is derived from Colchicum autumnal. So colchicine is a chemical is derived from Colchicum autumnal in the part of root or corm. It is applied to the tip of the plant for inducing polyploidy. The substance commonly called as regarding what? Colchicine. By treatment of colchicine, the chromosome number became is regarding what? Doubling. So 18 plus 18, so 36. Due to increasing regarding what? Chromosome number, yield should be regarding what? Increase. So that is commonly called as Raphana brassica. Who are mad Raphana brassica? He is commonly called as Russian genetist. What scientist? Karpanchenko. When the era of 1927, he was the person first to cross it with Raphana brassica and Raphana sativa and Brassica oleracea. It's mad Raphana brassica. Who are such a cross is first mad? Russian genetist Karpanchenko. But why that scientist to be recorded become disappointed mean he expect the whole root component of radish, the whole leaf component of regarding cabbage, it may be possible to regarding what? Edible part, but the expected level is not is obtained, so that the scientists regarding what? Greatly disappointed. Students, so up to I am classified regarding allopolyploidy. Now allopolyploidy critical is remaining there, it is coming on the class going to there. Up to this video, please clearly watch to you. Not only watching, based on the watch on the video, you are prepared, utilizing your books thorough properly. It's very much helps to you for your future studies as well as theory and NEET, because the coming academia, when will be opening, still now is a question mark. So you have very short duration. Due to presence of the short duration, you are utilize such a video means it is very much helps to you. Thank you.